Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back after holidays. So we already studied how to find out the speed that is measured in kilometer per hour. Next onwards, we are finding to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second or meter per second to kilometer per hour. The conversion we are studying now. A vehicle travels at an average speed of 72 km per hour. How much will it move in 1 second? So speed of the vehicle is given in kilometer per hour. We have to find out in 1 second how much the vehicle move. So remember this one. 1 hour means it should be 60 minutes. And 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. So in 60 minutes, in 1 hour 72 kilometer. That means 60 minutes the vehicle will travel how much kilometers? 72 into 1000, 72,000 kilometers. So you are converting kilometer to meters. Here hour to minutes. So in 1 minute how much it travel? 72,000 meters by 60. So 1200 meters you are getting as the answer. Which means in 1 second it will move 1200 by 60. That means 20 meters. So in 1 hour how much meters it travel? 72,000 meters. In 1 minute 1200 meters. In 1 second how much? 1200 by 60 again. So 20 meters. So in 1 hour 72 kilometer. In 1 minute 72,000 by 60 1200, and in 1 second 1200 by 60 again, so it is 20 meters. So this is a conversion of speed from kilometer per hour to minutes and second. So in 1 hour means 60 minutes, 1 minute means 60 seconds. Remember that one. And 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. 1 hour is 60 minutes, 1 minute is 60 seconds, and 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. In 1 hour means it should be written in kilometer per hour. Okay. Then 1 hour is same as 60 minutes. Then convert to 1 minute. You have to divide by 60. Then 1 minute is 60 seconds. So if to find out 1 second, you have to divide it again 60. Then kilometer is changed to meters by dividing by 1000. Not dividing, it is multiplying by 1000. 72 kilometer per hour, you can write as 72,000 meter per second. Speed of the vehicle is 72 km per hour. That is in 1 hour 72 km. That means 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes the speed of the vehicle is 72,000 meters. 72 km means 72 into 1000 meters. So in 1 minute how much? 72,000 divided by 60. 0 cancelled. So we are getting 1200 meters. That is in 1 minute. Then from 1 minute to 1 second we have to convert it. 1 second how much? 1 minute is 60 seconds. So in 60 seconds 1200 meters. In 1 second means it is divided by 60. So I cancel. You are getting 20 meters. So in 1 second 20 meters. 1 hour 72 km per hour. That is the speed. So kilometer change it to meter by multiplying 1000. Then 1 hour to 60 minutes, 60 minutes to 1 minute, 1 minute to 1 second divided by 60. So average speed of the car is 20 meter per second. Okay, 20 meter per second. So speed in 1 hour is 72 km per hour. That we convert to 1 second. That means 20 meter per second. This conversion also. This way also you can convert it. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60 seconds. So 1 kilometer you are converting to meter per second. 1 kilometer is how many meters? 1000 meters. And 1 hour is how many seconds? 60 into 60 seconds. Okay, so 0 cancelled, 0 and 0 cancelled. So remaining is 10 by 6 into 6, 36. If you divide it again by 2, you will get 5 and 18. 5 by 18 meter per second. So 72 kilometer per hour we are converting to meter per second. So here multiply with the 5 by 18. If you multiply with the 5 by 18, it will convert directly to meter per second. So 17 4 times. So the answer you are getting 20 meter per second. So to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have to multiply with the 5 by 18. So see another one. 36 kilometer per hour speed you have to convert to meter per second. So 36 into 5 by 18. 18 2s are 36. That much meter per second. The answer you are getting as 5 into 2 10. 10 meter per second. So directly you can convert like this. Multiply with the 5 by 18. So this is for converting kilometer per hour to meter per second. This way also you can find out. Otherwise, find out 60 minutes and in 1 minute how much, then 1 second. Like that also we can convert to meter per second. The reverse conversion, meter per second to kilometer per hour. As we studied, 1 kilometer is 1000 meters. Then what about 1 meter? 1 meter is 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 meter is 1 by 1000 kilometer. So 1 meter we are converting to 1 by 1000 kilometer. Divided by second. Second 60 into 60. Then only be 1 hour. So this we can write as 1 by 1000 by 60 into 60 is, this will come up 60 into 60 by 1000 to become 0 0 cancelled. You are getting 36 by 10. 36 by 10 if you divide it to 2, you are getting 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. So if you multiply with 18 by 5, it will convert to kilometer per hour. See this, 10 meter per second we have to convert to kilometer per hour. So 10 meter means 10 into 18 by 5, directly you can multiply 18 by 5. 5 2s are 10. So 18 2 is 36 kilometer per hour. So if you multiply with 18 by 5, meter per second changes to kilometer per hour. Then 20 meter per second. How do you convert? 20 into 18 by 5. 5 4s are 20. 18 into 4 is 72 kilometer per hour. This way also you can convert. So this is the conversion of meter per second to kilometer per hour. Multiply with 18 by 5. Then kilometer per hour to meter per second, you have to multiply with the reverse, 5 by 18. Remember that one. Remember this conversion. Kilometer per hour changes to meter per second by multiplying 5 by 18. Meter per second, if you want to convert to kilometer per hour, you have to multiply with 18 by 5. Reverse. Okay. 5 by 18, you are getting meter per second. 18 by 5, if you taking, you are getting kilometer per hour. Compute the speed per hour of a vehicle during 15 meter per second. That means 15 meter per second you have to convert to kilometer per hour. So 15 meter per second you have to convert to kilometer per hour. What do I have to do for conversion of kilometer per hour? 15 into 18 by 5. You have to multiply with the 18 by 5. So 15 into 18 by 5. 5 3s are 15. So 18 into 3, we are getting 54. 18 into 3, 54 kilometer per hour. So this is the conversion. 15 kilometer per second, we have to convert to kilometer per hour. 15 into 18 by 5. So 5 3s are 15. 18 into 3, we are getting 54 kilometer per hour. A train travels at an average speed of 36 km per hour. How far it will go in 3 minutes? Speed is given 36 km per hour. We have to find out the distance traveled in 3 minutes. Distance traveled in 3 minutes you have to calculate. So the average speed is 36 and the distance traveled in 3 minutes you have to find out. So first of all you have to convert to kilometer per hour to meter per second. So 36 into meter per second, if your conversion is 5 by 18, you have to multiply with the 5 by 18. So 18 2s are 36. So 2 into 5 we are getting 10 meter per second. So that means in 1 second how much distance traveled? 10 meter. 1 second 10 meter. Then what about 1 minute? 1 minute means 60 seconds. So 10 into 60. So 600 meters the vehicle will travel. In 1 second 10 minutes. 1 second 10 meter. 1 minute 600 meters. Then what we have to find out? In 3 minutes how much the vehicle will travel. In 3 minutes. 1 minute 600 meters. Like that 3 minutes. So 600 into 3. 1800 meters. So this is the distance traveled by the vehicle in 3 minutes. So first of all we have to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. That means in 1 second 10 meter. So in 1 minute how much? 1 minute means 60 seconds. 60 into 10 600 meters. Like that 3 minutes. So 600 into 3 1800 1800 meters. A 180 meter long train takes 9 seconds to pass a vertical pole. What is the average speed of the train in kilometer per hour? So the 180 meter long train, the length of the train is given 180 meters. It will pass an electric pole or vertical pole by 9 seconds. What is the average speed of the train in kilometer per hour? Kilometer per hour speed you have to find out. The length of the train is given and the time to pass the electric or the pole is also given. So the length of the train is 180 meter. Time taken to pass the electric pole 9 seconds. Then so here the distance length of the train means you can consider as the distance, and time to pass the pole is taken as the timing. Okay, so time and distance is given. You have to find out the speed. Speed equal to distance by time. The distance of the train, consider the length of the train is 180 and in 9 seconds it will pass. So consider the length of the train as the distance and time taken to pass the pole as the timing. So 180 by 9. 180 meters and 9 seconds. So you are getting 9 2s are 18. So 20 meter per second you are getting. Speed of the train is 20 meter per second. The question is you have to convert it into kilometer per hour. So 20 meter per second you have to convert to kilometer per hour. What is the conversion? 20 into 18 by 5. So 4 times. So 18 into 4, it is 72 kilometer per hour. So the speed of the train is 72 kilometer per hour. But here they are given only the length of the train and the time to pass the pole. Okay, so length of the train you consider as the distance and the time taken to cover the pole is taken as the time. So distance by time, we are getting 20 meter per second. That 20 meter per second we have to convert to kilometer per hour. So how will your conversion? 18 by 5 you have to multiply it. So you are getting 72 kilometer per hour as the speed of the train. A 125 meter long train travel at 90 kilometer per hour. How much time would it take to cross a 175 meter long bridge? So 125 meter long train travel in 90 km per hour, cover a bridge of 175 meters. So how much time it will take to cover the bridge? So the length of the train is given, how much? 125 meters, and length of the bridge is given 175 meter, and average speed is given 90 kilometers per hour is the speed of the train. So the length of the train and length of the bridge is given. So to find out the total length, that means if you want to cover the bridge, the entire train should cover. That means the total length of the train is 125. That 125 meter we have to cover through the bridge. This is the bridge. This is the train, and this is the bridge. So the entire train should travel, not one compartment. The entire compartment you have to cover it. So the total length of train is 125 and 175 meter bridge. So this together it is the total distance. So 125 plus 175 is the total length of the, or total length, or we can write the total distance. So 125 plus 175 you are getting 300 meters. So 300 meters is the total distance, and the speed is given 90 km per hour. So you have to convert it into meter per second, because here it is given in meters. So 90 km per hour we are converting to meter per second. So 90 into how much is the conversion? 5 by 18. 18, 9 2s are 18. So here 10. 5. So 5 into 5, we are getting 25 meter per second. That is the speed of the train, 25 meter per second. 90 km per hour we convert to 25 meter per second. That means the time taken to cover the bridge or to cross the bridge is equal to, total distance is how much? Total distance by total time. So total distance is how much? 300 meters, and the total time is 25 meter per second. 25 meter per second. So how much you are getting the answer? You are getting the answer as 12 seconds. So in 12 seconds the train will cover the bridge. So remember that one, the length of the train and the length of the bridge is added together. That is the total distance. And time taken you have to convert to kilometer per hour to meter per second. The speed you are converting to meter per second. Then total distance by total time is the time to cover the bridge. That is 300 by 25. It is 12 seconds. In 12 seconds the train will cover